Next question 8. In figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular to BC. OE is perpendicular to AC. And OF is perpendicular to AB. This is the given data. Show that this part. Okay. Here we construct join OA, OB, OC. Okay. This is a construction. Join O and A, O, B, OC. Okay. Here we get triangles AOE. Okay. Here we get 6 triangles. They are triangle AEO is one right angle triangle. Next, AFO is right angle triangle, and BFO one right angle triangle. Next, BDO is right angle triangle. Angle triangle CDO. Next, CEO is one right angle triangle. Okay, here we get 6 right angle triangles. Okay, here we have to show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square, AF square, BD square, BD, BD square, CE square, CE square. So consider the triangle AFO. AFO is one right angle triangle. From triangle AFO, angle AFO equal to 90 degrees. So applying Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse is AO. OA square equal to AF square plus OF square. Okay, here hypotenuse is OA. OA square equal to AF square plus OF square. Here using Pythagoras theorem. This is equation 1. Next, consider triangle BDO. From triangle BDO, angle BDO equal to 90 degrees. So applying Pythagoras theorem, OB square equal to BD square plus DO square. Here using Pythagoras theorem. This is equation 2. Next, consider the triangle CEO. From triangle CEO, angle CEO equal to 90 degree. So applying Pythagoras theorem, OC square equal to OE square plus EC square. Here using Pythagoras theorem. This is equation number 3. See, here we need to prove OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. So adding 1, 2, 3 from 1, 2 and 3, adding these three equations, OA square plus OB square plus OC square equal to OA square equal to AF square plus OF square. AF square plus OF square. Next equation number 2, OB square equal to BD square plus DO square. Equation number 3, OC square equal to OE square plus EC square. Okay. Minus terms here. Minus OD minus OE minus OF. OD, OE, OF. Okay. Minus OF square. Sorry. Plus OF square comes to this side. Minus OF square. Plus OD square comes to this side. Minus OD square. Plus OE square comes to this side. Minus OE square. So equation becomes OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to remaining terms here AF square plus BD square plus EC square. Okay. See. Here these two equations are same. Okay. Hence proved. What we have done? Here join OA, OB, OC and then we get 6 right angle triangles. So applying Pythagoras theorem for triangle AFO and BDO, next triangle CEO. Okay, here applying Pythagoras theorem for these three triangles. Here we get the equations, 3 equations, then adding these 3 equations. Finally we get this equation.